Read aloud. Jim has a bin. The bin has a lid. A big pin is on the rim of the bin. Jim hides the big pan in the tin by the hill and eats his fig bit by bit. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who has a bin? Jim has a bin. Question number 2. What is on the rim of the bin? A big pin is on the rim of the bin. Question number 3. What does Jim eat? Jim eats his fig bit by bit.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.